Assalamu alaikum everybody, we're back again. Mosman Oil Gas have released some more news today. Current share price 0.028 GBX, 5-day chart down 4%, 1 month up 38%, 6 month down 30%, year to date down 7%. So let's take a look at what has been released today. Mosman Live RNS. Today is taking up all the news, up about 120% today on the news of their gold drilling in Australia. But let's look. 9:03 a.m. 18th of August. Sagebrush production update. Mosman advancing is pleased to provide an update on oil production from the Sagebrush project in Colorado, where the company holds 82.5% working interest. January to June 2025. We can see Q1 3,000 barrels of oil, which revenue after tax 135,000 USD, average sale price 62.3 in Q2 3,219 and a revenue after tax of 94,923 and then for the total for H1 they've made 230,000 revenue. We don't know about operating costs here, so we'd assume maybe around the 30,000 operating costs, maybe so around the 200,000 mark for revenue, which is not bad at all. Oh, these aren't adjusted as well. So probably looking at about like 170, 180,000 USD. The company will provide further updates on its other person in due course. Okay, let's see what the interim CEO has said. Our core focus remains firmly on advancing Mosman's flagship helium projects at Sagebrush and Curtis, which represent the most significant growth opportunities for the company. At the same time, oil production for provides material revenues that assist in supporting our wider activities. We're pleased with production so far in 2025, and since June, the production numbers have been meeting our expectations and are in line with prior quarters. The independent verification report from Sproul on the Sagebrush helium discovery is advancing well, and we are looking forward to getting the 3D seismic survey underway at Sagebrush. We also expect to hear news regarding the Curtis environmental approval for both Sagebrush and Curtis. We have an exciting few months ahead as we work towards unlocking the significant helium potential within these projects. So interim CEO bullish as always. He's looking forward to that helium potential in both Sagebrush and Curtis, but it's good to see the oil revenues coming in. I know there are some workovers that can be done in Sagebrush to increase oil production, so that can be good to be getting some more revenue and profits in to Mosman and having a bit more cash available to work on other projects as well. And I think like the important thing here, guys, right? They're making what, let's say about 80,000 USD a quarter, right? For a market cap company of 6.58 million and a share price of 0.028 on the AIM market, very rare to find. Most of the companies on AIM are not even making any money, whereas Mosman actually are making money. Like the proof is right here. So that's why I think Mosman is a less riskier option than some of the other AIM options available at the similar market cap to Mosman. Obviously now we did have our spike, our vector spike that happened here in around May, and then we were hit with a placing at 0.045, and then we have dropped to 0.028. But the new interim CEO, he looks like he's on the ball. He's got a personal vested interest in Sagebrush as well. And he's mentioned quite a few times now that the next coming months are going to be quite significant for Mosman. So let's give it a couple of months. Let's see what he can deliver. Let's see what the independent verification report from Sproul says and the 3D seismic as well. And hopefully we can get to some more drilling in Q1 2026, inshallah. But yeah, guys, this was a quick update from Mosman. Not too much content in the RNS today. Share price today has dropped apparently 10%. Previous close was 0.031. Current share price 0.028. So that is Mosman Sagebrush oil production update today. Good to hear that things are being consistent. Production did actually increase in Q2 compared to Q1, which is good to see. And the CEO has said that production has been meeting our expectations since June as well. So it looks like there's consistent production happening from Sagebrush. So hopefully that continues and they're able to do some workovers in the short term to increase production levels at Sagebrush as well, so they can bring in more oil revenue. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on Mosman below, and I'll be sure to update you guys whenever the next news drops. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe and share, and peace.